If YouTube picture-in-picture is not working on your phone or your video does not stay in a floating window after leaving the YouTube app, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several official fixes that can help solve the problem. So let's get started. First, open your phone settings and tap Apps. Find and open YouTube, then tap Picture in Picture. Make sure Allow Picture in Picture is turned on. If this option is disabled, YouTube would not be able to play videos in a floating window. Now let's move the second fix. Go back to the YouTube app settings and tap Battery. If your phone has battery optimization enabled for YouTube, it may stop some background features from working properly. If available on your device, change the battery setting to unrestricted or not optimized. Now let's check if your YouTube app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube and look for an available update. If you can't update the app because of you are getting a storage full error, you will need to free up some storage space first. You can delete unnecessary files, remove apps you no longer use, or clear unwanted downloads. Once enough storage is available, try updating YouTube again. Using the latest version of the app can fix many picture-in-picture issues. And don't skip the last step because it often solves the problem. Simply restart your phone. Restart refreshes your device and can fix temporary software glitches that may prevent picture-in-picture from working correctly. After your phone turn back on, open YouTube, play any video, then press the home button or use the home gesture to check if the floating picture-in-picture windows appears. If the issue is still not fixed, make sure your device and YouTube apps support picture-in-picture, as availability may vary depending on your device, Android version and account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.